Good morning, students. Welcome my channel Bhuloks Mathematics. Last class I have already discussed about special differential equation, which is reducible to homogeneous differential equation. Let us come and start small problems regarding that. Okay, so write down the question. dy by dx is equal to minus x plus y plus 1 divided by x plus y plus 5. Okay, here a1 is equal to minus 1, b1 is equal to 1, c1 is equal to 1, a2 is equal to 1, b2 is equal to 1, c2 is equal to 5. So a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. The coefficient of x is a1, coefficient of y is b1. It is a constant on c1. Here the coefficient of x is a2. Here the coefficient of y is b2. Here the constant on is 5. So a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 is equal to minus 1. b1 by b2 is equal to 1. So 1 not equal to minus 1. Hence, we always put, write down, always put small x is equal to capital X plus h, small y is equal to capital Y plus k. Okay, so small dy by dx is equal to capital dy by dx. So now the equation 1 becomes, in place of dy by dx, we have to put capital dy by dx. In place of x, we have to put x plus h. In place of y, we have to put y plus k. So the equation 1 becomes capital dy by dx is equal to minus x minus h plus y plus k plus 1 divided by x plus h. Here it is y plus k plus it is 5. So that implies minus x plus y. Here it is minus h plus k plus 1 divided by x plus y h plus k plus 5. Okay, this is known as 2. Now we have to put this quantity as 0 in order to reduce it into homogeneous differential equation. We have to put this as 0 and this is equal to 0. Write down, put minus h plus k plus 1 is equal to 0. ha plus k plus 5 is equal to 0. Our aim is to find out the value of h and k. So this is the simultaneous linear equations. This can be solved by 3 methods. One is elimination, substitutions and cross multiplication. So out of 3 methods, you have to adopt any one method to solve the simultaneous linear equations. Now we have to add in minus h plus h cancel, 2k plus 6 is equal to 0. That implies 2k is equal to minus 6, k is equal to minus 3. The value of k is coming out minus 3. When you put k is equal to minus 3 in any equation, we get the value of h. So the value of h is coming out, write down, h in place of k minus 3 plus 5 is equal to 0. So h plus 2 is equal to 0. h is equal to minus 2. The value of h and k is coming out. Okay. So now the equation 2 becomes equation 2 becomes, write down, equation 2 becomes capital dy by dx is equal to minus x plus capital Y divided by x plus y. Okay. Now this is a homogeneous differential equation. This is a homogeneous differential equation because the power of x is 1, here the power of y is also 1. So it is mxy. Mxy is a homogeneous function in capital X and capital Y of degree 1. Here nxy is also homogeneous function in x and y of degree 1. So clearly this is a homogeneous differential equation. This is HDE, homogeneous differential equation. So we have to put capital Y is equal to capital V into capital X. So dy by dx is equal to V plus X dV by dx. Okay, applying the product formula. Putting these values of capital dy by dx in equation 3. So write down equation 3 becomes in place of this we have to put this. In place of y we have to put vx. So now v plus x dv by dx is equal to minus x plus vx divided by x plus it is vx. Okay, so x taking common, we have to take in common x, so we get v plus x dv by dx is equal to x taking common minus 1 plus capital V divided by x 1 plus v. So x cancel. So this v will go to that side. X dv by dx is equal to v minus 1 by v plus 1 minus v. Okay, so we get v minus 1 minus v square minus v divided by v plus 1 minus v square minus v plus v minus v cancel. Here it is minus taking common, v square plus 1 divided by v plus 1. Okay, so now separating the variables, we get v plus 1 divided by v square plus 1 into dv is equal to minus dx by x. So variables separated. Write down variables separated. Then integrating on both sides. Write down integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. So v plus 1 divided by v square plus 1 into dv is equal to minus dx by x. Okay, so now this by this plus this by this, this by this plus this by this, we get v by v square plus 1 into dv. This is one integration. Another is dv upon v square plus 1. is equal to minus ln x plus ln c. So, if we choose f of v, then whose derivative is 2v. So, 1 by 2 multiply, 2 is dividing and 2 is multiplying. 2v, because whose derivative will be adjust on numerator. V square plus 1 dv. Here it is the integration tan inverse v. Tan inverse v is equal to ln c by x. In numerator it is derivative, it is function. So integral value will be 1 by 2 ln v square plus 1. So here it is tan inverse v, here it is ln c by x. Okay. Now in place of v, we have to put capital Y by capital X. So this can be written as ln, here it is y square by x square plus 1 to the power half. Half will be power. So here it is tan inverse y by x. Here it is ln c by x. So now simplifying, we get, after simplification we get ln, here it is y square plus x square by x square to the power half. Here it is tan inverse y by x, capital Y by capital X, is equal to ln c by x. So we get here ln root over of y square plus x square divided by x minus ln c by x plus tan inverse capital Y by capital X is equal to 0. Again ln A minus ln B. Ln A by B. Ln root over of capital Y square plus x square divided by x. Here it is c by x plus tan inverse capital Y by capital X is equal to 0. So this x cancelled with this x. Now in place of capital Y, we have to put small y minus k. Write out. In capital Y, here we get ln y minus k whole square plus x minus h whole square root over divided by c. Here it is tan inverse capital small y minus k divided by x minus h. Now we have to put the value of h and k. Value of h is minus 2, value of k is minus 3. We have to put there. So we get ln y minus k, minus means y plus 3 whole square. Here it is x plus 2 whole square root over divided by c. Here tan inverse small y plus 3, this is equal to 0 divided by x plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is the answer of this question. This is the answer of this question. Okay? This is the answer of this question. Thank you to all for watching my videos. If you like my classes, please subscribe my channel, share my channel and like my channel.